Alright guys, here's some chili that's been freeze dried. It's been in the bag since 10/31 of 23, so a year and a half old. Here's the other side of the full bag, which you can see this here was ran through the vacuum chamber after it was dried and put into the bag. Here's another bag. Now this one was done like 2 or 3 days earlier. It was not ran through the vacuum chamber, so it just had the little moisture packs thrown in there with it, probably oxygen packs. So let's see if we see any difference in them. As you can see, there's a big difference in the bag. How this one is all shrank up around the contents, and this one is not. Let's check out the inside. Okay, this chili was stored without the oxygen packs and ran through the vacuum chamber. This one was stored with oxygen packs. And pretty much look the same. We'll see if there's any difference in the taste. Yes. Here's the one with the oxygen packs. Here's the one without. Might got a little more water put in it, but anyway, virtually the same look. But now I'm going to taste them. The one with oxygen barriers. Good. The one without the oxygen barriers. Exactly the same. So, what that tells me is now I know I don't have to spend the time and the money on the oxygen packs anymore. I can just run them through the vacuum chamber, and it'll keep it a year and a half anyway. I have plenty more in there. I'm going to try it again in 3 years. I'll let you know if you can wait that long. Now I'm going to go over and eat some chili.